live. All right, folks, how are you doing? So I'm not gonna show my face, just so you know, because my face is all fucked up right now. So I'm not going to. You're not missing anything anyway. New unit. Let's see. Throw some guesses at me. It's a pretty big box, but it's one unit. It's pretty freaking expensive. And it's black, and it's a brand that I don't have here on the desk in my gear. Nope, it's not Wes, because I have plenty of Wes. I'm like the poster boy of Wes. Coffee. It's a big box from Sweetwater. Candies, if anything. The lights are, it's a meter, so it goes from, you know, yellow to green to yellow to red. I'm doing a lot of mastering work these days. It's something that I will be using for Mix 2, but it's, let's say, a mastering oriented unit. Almost. Who said Labry? Almost. You're on the right path. New compressor. How many compressor can I possibly have? I have like 24. Dangerous music box. No, I just got the API as EQ. It's not a limiter. I have just bought 2 limiters from TC. So it's a dangerous music unit. I'm kind of bummed because I don't have the cables to connect this yet. I'm just gonna put it in the rack. Okay. Alright, there you go. Now it's right. So this is my new mastering converter. Well, the 80. The new Dangerous Convert 80 Plus. It's pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty simple unit. It's just an 80 high-end mastering converter for printing my mixes and for printing masters. What made me pick one? Well, for the most part, 2 things. Is the most transparent that I heard is got 2 analog input, which I need, and it has all the digital output available at all times. With digital outputs being available at all time, I can send a signal directly to my monitor controller, which has an AAS input. So, like, once again, my monitor controller, the Drummer MC 3.1, proved to be such a badass unit for this. I have Toslinks, ADAT, and SPDIF all available at all times simultaneously, which is amazing. I'm not interested in this, you know, the function, the X-formers and stuff. I heard it. It has a little bit too much of a low-end roll-off for me. I'm not interested in the emphasis. This kind of, you know, we'll see, maybe on some material will work well, but Alex, that is the second reason. So the reason is, yes, it's transparent, yes, it has all the outputs, yes, it's an absolutely amazing unit, but this thing clips very well. Yeah, it's something that I use. It's something that I used to use before with another converter, and for me it was time to get a new one to do that. Let's put it in the rack because I don't have the cables. They're coming here. They're coming in tomorrow. I will show you how I'm going to integrate this in my system, because it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy because I reached the Pro Tools limit of 32 tracks a long time ago. So I already daisy chained several of my machines here on the desk to work around that. I was short 2 channels. And so I still don't know if what I'm gonna do is gonna work, but we'll see. Most likely it will. And that is because the Motu system, the AVB system, is that freaking amazing that I will be able to work around the limit and actually use this the way I want to use without using 2 computers to print my mix or master. Let's put it in the rack. This is gonna go there in that rack. There's 1 free space, and that's the last free space that I have. So this is gonna go there. So let's move the phone the others away. No, it is sliding. Now the only thing that I'm thinking about is maybe I will put it on top, just because, you know, the lights and shit. But it looks nice. Let's try to turn it on. The first power up. Let's give him some lights. Alright, cool. Ready? So, first power up of the dangerous AD plus converter. That was a very underwhelming power up. Alright, lights got a little brighter, but I'm used to the I'm used to the West Audio and the Fusion. It's got relays. Is heat distribution an issue? No, if gear is designed correctly, heat is not a problem. Should I put this one on top and this one here? But yeah, I think top would make more sense. I think I want the meters to be like eyes height, you know. This was the unboxing of the Dangerous AD Plus, my new mastering converter. Capture for mixes, masters, all that. Now I'm gonna turn it off. What the fuck is there? And take it out, take a couple of pictures. I'm out. See you guys soon. Stay safe.
Hands on my neck, hands grip my throat. Lift me up, man, take control. Heart is so gone, my type. Don't you know I fall for the bad type? You play the role of an angel pretty well.